In this video, we're going to multiply whole numbers. When we multiply whole numbers, we have a key word, and that is the word product. Product is actually the answer to your multiplication problem. So when we have the multiplication problem, 4 times 6, our product is the answer, or 24. Let's go through an example together. It says, find the product of 28 and 156. Remember, product is the answer to a multiplication problem. So that word means that we need to multiply and find the answer. The first thing you need to do is line up the numbers vertically. You can use the commutative property of multiplication in order to switch the order up when you multiply. Meaning that if one number has more digits than the other, you can put that number on top. When we multiply, we're going to multiply the number in the ones column on the bottom by every digit in the top number. So we're going to start by multiplying 8 times 6. 8 times 6 is 48. The 8 is in the ones column and the 4 is in the tens column. So we're going to drop the 8 into the ones column and bring the 4 up to the tens column. Now we need to take 8 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40, and we need to add this 4. So we have 44. Bring that 4 down and the other 4 up to the 1. And then 8 times 1, which is 8, plus 4, which is 12. Now we're out of numbers right here, so we can just write it as 12 down in our answer. Now that we are done with the 8, we can move on to the 2. The 2 is in the tens position, meaning it's really worth 20, not 2. When we multiply, we're really taking 20 times each number. We don't want to have to do that, so we can put a 0 as a placeholder. That just shows that we're really multiplying each number by 20 and not 2. Before I multiply, though, I like to erase what was above the numbers so that I don't get confused. Now we can take 2 times each number. 2 times 6 is 12. We can bring the 2 down and carry the 1 up. 2 times 5 is 10, plus that 1 is 11. 2 times 1 is 2, plus that 1 is 3. The final step is to add those two layers. 8 plus 0 is 8, 4 plus 2 is 6, 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 plus 1 is 4. Put your comma in your final answer and we have 4,368. Pause the video and try this next one on your own. When you're ready, hit play and we'll see how you did. Now this says to find the product of 3,149 and 258. Product means to multiply, so we're going to multiply the two numbers. Notice that I put the one with the most digits on the top. We can take 8 times 9, which is 72. 8 times 4 is 32, plus the 7 is 39. Bring that 3 up. 8 times 1 is 8, plus the 3 is 11. And then 8 times 3 is 24, plus the 1, we're out of digits, so we can write down 25. Erase the numbers on top so you don't get confused. Cross off the 8 and add your placeholder since we're moving on to the digits in the tens position. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. 5 times 1 is 5, plus the 2 is 7. And 5 times 3 is 15. We're out of the digits next to the 3, so we can bring down the 15. Again, erase those numbers so you don't get confused. Cross off the 5, and now we're dealing with the digits in the hundreds place, so we need two placeholders. 2 times 9 is 18. Carry that 1 up. 2 times 4 is 8, plus the 1 is 9. 2 times 1 is 2, and then 2 times 3 is 6. Our final step is to add those digits. We're going to have 3 rows to add up now. When you added the 3 rows, you should have gotten 812442. Now you need to put the comma in 3 places from the right. And our product is 812,442.